I forgot where to go.
Dito.
Mic testo. 1,
Dito
2,
RD.
3.
RD.
Where are you guys?
Meron na ito.
Okay.
Yan.
I'll
Bro,
go.
I was
Ay,
literally
wait.
shivering in my butt. I was
Yan.
shivering. I was
I'm at
shivering.
front.
I was shaking my ass so hard, bro, when I saw Grimace.
Alright,
So
ngayon
me.
punta tayo sa Reta. Ginagawa mo.
What does crouching even do, actually? Like, I
I
tried
don't
I
know.
crouching.
don't know actually.
It's funny. O, tara,
What?
try natin. Teka. Rose again here. Ito, try natin. Wait. I don't know where to try it. Tara, try natin dito.
Di ko man pwede maglakad habang nag-search eh.
Yun nga eh.
Oh, we just see inside.
Ngayon guys, punta tayo right.
Yo, I went right, and Grimace was there. So I don't think anywhere is right.
Hindi na maghahabulan lang tayo
Or dito
dito.
muna kaya tayo. Dito muna. Or is there something here?
No, don't think so.
Wala dito.
There is. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo.
Hindi meron kahit ano dito eh. May wood sapling dito.
Really?
Oo, yun ah. Wala.
What's
Oh
this
my
place?
god. Oh my god. Oh my
It's a
god.
dead end.
Oh
Why'd you
my-
being
oh
chased
my-
here?
Now we're not being chased. Sa maze lang
No.
ata.
No, guys, don't worry, because Grimace always screams for help, even though he's the murderer.
Screams for help tang ina with the... Ba't nandun siya? Nandyan siya. Akala na sa maze lang.
Nah, bro, he's everywhere. Bro, he could literally be in us.
Tingin?
Aloko talaga. Nasa maze lang yun eh.
Isn't that his light? Never mind.
Oh my god.
Nasaan na to?
Why is there farting noises?
Gagi naman
Diba?
to,
I think that's TV static.
Was this even opened before?
I think that's a dead end, bro.
Daran dito.
Oh no. Uy, baka makahabol tayo dito.
Gago, labas. Labas. Gago, labas. Gago. Tang in.
Wait, wag dyan dito. Just in case habulin tayo. There's a dead end there.
Hindi naman dito eh.
I meant here. Dito oh. If he suddenly goes out, we can run all the way back there. Are you
Okay.
stupid? That's a dead end there. He can kill us. Unlike there.
My god,
Again,
we've been here shuffling our feet for 3 minutes.
That was him. Nasaan na kayo?
I think 3 minutes of shuffling my feet is good.
Kakawait, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Where are you guys?
Oh,
We're
we're at
back
the
at
beginning.
the ano, safe spot.
Okay.
The nice safe
Yung na
spot.
dynamite. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm there already. Okay.
See if I can do something here. I can't do something here. My god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Tanan. Two Virginians.
Looks
Hey, why so dark? Oh, that was.
Guys, wait lang, bibili ako sa tindahan.
My God,
Okay,
I'll
okay.
be right back.
I'm gonna stop the recording. My God.